Your name is power over darkness, freedom for the captives, mercy for the broken and the hopeless. Hey friends, this is Your Name is Power in the key of C, and this is a really simple way to chord along to this song. I hope you have a lot of fun. Make sure to stop the video. If you do click on the description below, you will find the link to the chord sheet, and it'll make a lot more sense as we dive in. Okay, so I've kind of simplified this. I've cut out some complex chords for you so that you can just enjoy chording along. We're going to play 5 chords for this song: C, D minor, F, G, and then our A minor. Okay, so let's start by looking for those. So if you look for this group of 2 black notes, you will find the C to the left of those. And if you play every other note, C, E, G, that is our C major chord. Okay, and if you kind of freeze this shape in your hand and just move up to the D position, so we have A, B, C, D, that's our D minor chord, okay, D, F, A. Okay, again, move that shape up to the F position, which is found by looking for these group of 3 black notes. The F is to the left of those, and play every other note. Again, F, A, C, there's our F major chord. Okay, move up 1 set of notes and you're in the G position. So we have G, B, D. And then our last and final chord, move up 1 set of notes, A minor, we have A, C, E. All right, so let's review those chords. So we have C chord, D minor, F, G, and then we have our A minor. All right, so let's just play some simple single notes over here. That's what our left hand is going to be doing. So I would suggest putting pinky on the C note found by that group of 2 black notes. Line up these 5 fingers and keep your hand here this whole song. Don't move it, and that'll keep things synced up a lot easier. Okay, so when we play this C in our right hand, we're just going to play the single C note. Okay, D minor to D in the bass, single notes. F to F. G to G, and then when we play that A minor, notice in my left hand, my thumb just opened up 1 note. I didn't move my hand out of position, then I lose where I'm at. Okay, I just opened up to that A minor, or A note, 1 note. See, just the swing open of the wrist, okay? All right, so I'm gonna sing through and play along to verse 1 so you can see how it sounds when we add in the vocals and we add in this rhythm, and then I'll break down the rhythm for you. You're the only answer to the darkness. You're the only right among the wrong. You're the only hope among the chaos. You are the voice that calls me on. Okay, so what we're doing to bring the 2 hands together is quite simple, actually. We're doing this rhythm I call 1-to-2 ratio, together, right. And so all we're doing is together, then just the right hand by itself. Together, and the right, together, right, together, right. And you're just going to kind of do that basic rhythm through the bulk of this song, and that'll kind of just give you a good foundation to chord. Okay, so we could play that and just practice that on the A minor. Together, right, together, right, together, right, and so on. Really simple, nice marching rhythm, okay? This song does kind of have a little bit of a twist to it, and I'll show you when we walk through verse 1, where not always are you going to be able to have enough time, so to speak, to be able to together, right. You might have to go chord and then chord change, and then kind of continue that rhythm, and so I'll walk you through that in a second. Okay, so when you're beginning, I would just omit the left hand altogether. Just play through the chords in your right hand, getting used to where your hands are going. Also, if you take a look at like the verse, for instance, we have 2 verses in this song. They're repeating. So notice patterns and repetition in your music, and that'll help simplify things, as well as lines 1 and 3 in verse 1 repeat. So we have this A minor, G, C, and then we have D minor, C, G, A minor, G, C, D minor, C, G. So lines 1 and 3 are the same. Lines 2 and 4 are the same, right? Pre-chorus is kind of the same. We have F, G, A minor, and then just F, G. If you notice that chorus, we have lines 1 and 3 repeating, lines 2 and 4 repeating again. Let's see, bridge. Is there any repetition? It looks like lines 1, 2, 3 get repeated, and then lines 1, 2, 3 kind of repeat again. So notice that commonality that you find in music. It helps take out so much overwhelm when you just realize there's a lot of things that just repeat. Okay. All right, let's work on verse 1 together. So we're starting out with that A minor where our thumb is opening up here and we have A minor up here. Okay. You're the only answer. Okay, so here we're going to quickly go to the G, to the darkness. Okay, so that's going to be the trickiest part of this song, is just some of that doesn't line up with my simple 1-to-2 ratio. So again, bam, you're the only answer to the darkness. Okay, move to the D minor. You're the only rider. Here we go. Again, we just go C, G. Again, A minor. You're the only hope of G among the C. Chaos. D minor. You are the voice that C calls me on. Okay, that quick transition from a chord to chord, sometimes you don't have enough time to be able to kind of continue that together, right rhythm. Sometimes you have to share those beats together between two chords. But all of those are played the exact same, if that makes sense. And I really try to be particular in the chord sheet to write the chord above the word or the pause or the syllable that chord should be played. Eventually your ear will anticipate when that next chord should come. Okay. It'll take time, but it'll get there. Okay. All right. Let's take a look at the pre-chorus. Louder than every lie. Here's again, quick sword in, move up to the A minor. Every fight, the truth will F. Chase away the G night. Okay, let's move into that chorus. Your name is C chord. Power over darkness, D minor. Freedom for the captives, A minor. Open up that thumb in your left hand. Mercy for the broken, C chord quickly here. And the F, hopeless. Your name is, again, repeating these same 5 chords. C chord here. Faithful in the battle, D minor. Glory in the struggle, A minor. Mighty, it won't let us see, down or F, fail us. Your name is C, power. So if you are going to kind of, there's that C and then G, F kind of quickly. That could be like a segue into the bridge, or it could be if you're ending the song, you could just kind of repeat those last 2 lines there. And then it goes to verse 2. Let's take a look at that bridge. So we're starting out with that F chord. And I think sometimes repeat this bridge a couple different times. So we're starting out with the F. Here we go. When you speak, you scatter. G is quickly here. Darkness. And then A minor is quickly too. Light arrives in heaven, G opens, C. Holy Spirit, G. Let us hear it. Okay, repeat those same 3 lines over. F chord here. When you speak, the church awake, G wakens, A minor. We believe the change is coming, C. And Holy Spirit, G, let us see it. And then you can keep looping through that. When you speak, you scatter darkness. Okay. And then you can kind of end that a little bit and then, go back into the chorus if you'd like, or if you want to redo a verse. I mean, what's so fun and fascinating about chording is the flexibility, and I don't feel so boxed into doing things a certain way. So I want you to find that permission and that freedom to be able to do that as well. Just kind of go through it and have a lot of fun and improvise a little bit and go back and forth and not just feel stuck in this musical box. All right, I'm going to play it beginning to end. You can jump in and play along with me. Do it in baby steps, left hand only, right hand only. Bring the two hands together. You can work on just the verse, then just the pre-chorus. Break up the chorus. Notice those patterns and you can do it. All right, here we go. You're the only answer to the darkness. You're the only right among the wrong. You're the only hope among the chaos. You are the voice that calls me on, louder than every lie, my sword in every fight. The truth will chase away the night. Your name is power over darkness, freedom for the captives, mercy for the broken and the hopeless. Your name is faithful in the battle, glory in the struggle, mighty, it won't let us down or fail us. Your name is power. I know it is written, hope is certain. I know that the word will never fail. I know that in every situation you speak the power to prevail, louder than every lie, my sword in every fight. The truth will chase away the night. Your name is power over darkness, freedom for the captives, mercy for the broken and the hopeless. Your name is faithful in the battle, glory in the struggle, mighty, it won't let us down or fail us. Your name is power. When you speak, you scatter darkness, light arrives and heaven opens. Holy Spirit, let us hear it. When you speak, the church awakens. We believe that change is coming. Holy Spirit, let us see it. When you speak, you scatter darkness, light arrives and heaven opens. Holy Spirit, let us hear it. When you speak, the church awakens. We believe the change is coming. Holy Spirit, let us see it. Your name is power over darkness, freedom for the captives, mercy for the broken and the hopeless. Your name is faithful in the battle, glory in the struggle, mighty, it won't let us down or fail us. Your name is power. Your name is power. Your name is power over darkness, freedom for the captives, mercy for the broken